Promoting your course is an essential part of its success. We all know that. And without effective promotion, it's going to be pretty challenging to reach a wider audience or even generate interest in your course. So, I'm going to give you 9 ways of promoting your course that you can do to hopefully reach a wider audience. All right. First and foremost, the obvious, social media. So make sure you're posting, make sure you're putting on videos, engaging. You can do ads, but somehow engaging and sharing your content on your platforms, whether it's, it doesn't matter which social media, whichever one your target audience is hanging out at, that's where you're going to promote your course. Another is guest posting. You can reach out to popular blogs in your niche and see if you can write a guest post. Just make sure you put a link that goes back to your course, which will bring in more potential students or customers. Next, offer a free workshop or some kind of challenge. Get your course out there so it can be pre-recorded, and you're just going to take a piece of your main course and you're going to sprinkle a little magic on it and you're going to send it out. Now, it can be 45 minutes, it could be an hour, but put it on your website or wherever your platform is and run it in the background at all times. You can put a limited discount on there for a few days and then it ends, but that's for a limited discount for your main course. As you put it on your platform, people are going to register to watch it. So you're building your email list, you're growing your audience as well. So you have to make sure that you're promoting your workshop on those social media platforms. Now, you can also create a promotional video. This is going to be a little bit shorter, but it's highlighting your course strengths. It's ultimately giving the benefits, giving the value, and giving a little short video on what you have. Next, a big one, email marketing. Email marketing is huge because as you're growing your email list, you're going to be able to promote your course or whatever product that you have in those emails. You can give discounts, you can show videos, you can share blogs, you can share YouTube videos. You can give them the best of the best in your email list and you can sell. So making sure that you're building your email list and then using your email for marketing. Another one, host a webinar or a live event. This is a great way to be seen. This is a great way to get a wider audience. When you're promoting your live event, they're going to register and you're going to start building your email list, and you're going to build a relationship as you do this live event, whether that's one day, whether that's 4 days, whether it's 30 minutes to an hour. You're building a relationship because you're communicating back and forth live. It builds this trust and credibility, and that's what you're looking for because that's what's going to keep them engaged, that's what's going to keep them interested, and that's how you're going to get a wider audience. Another, reach out to influencers in your niche and see if they would promote your course, or see if you can partner and promote their course and vice versa. Okay, another good one is offer a discount or a promo. These are good because everybody loves free stuff. It doesn't necessarily have to be free, but everybody loves things that have a discount or a promo on it. So offering those, especially to your email list as you're marketing, and just promoting a discount or a promotion will bring in a wider audience and potential customers. And the last one I have is participate in online communities. It's really good to participate or join online communities so that you can engage with other people in your niche, other people that have the same target audience. If you want to be able to reach a broader audience, this is a great way to do it. Plus, it does help you build relationships with potential students. By using a combination of all these strategies, you will be able to reach a wider audience. So I hope that helped. I hope that brought you value. I hope that you can implement these in your own course creation. And if you have any questions, go ahead and put it in the comment. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Rachel with Inspire Purpose. I am a course creator and a web designer. And if you did like this video, if you found value, go ahead and hit the like button. And I can't wait to see you in the next video.